In today's video, we're diving into the world of language learning by exploring the 3 best apps to learn French on Android. Let's jump right in. Wlingua Learn French. Wlingua Learn French is an engaging app designed to help users learn French from the ground up. With a structured curriculum, it offers lessons that cover grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. The app features interactive exercises, including listening, reading, and writing tasks that cater to various skill levels. Users can track their progress through the app's analytics, ensuring they stay motivated and focused. Wlingua also includes review sessions to reinforce what users have learned, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and those looking to improve their skills. Learn French vocabulary. Learn French Vocabulary is a simple yet effective app focused on expanding users' French vocabulary. It offers a variety of word categories, allowing learners to study terms related to everyday situations, travel, food, and more. The app uses flashcards and interactive quizzes to help users remember new words and phrases effectively. Additionally, audio pronunciations are provided, ensuring learners can hear the correct sounds. This app is perfect for those who want to build their vocabulary quickly and efficiently, making it an essential resource for any French learner. Learn French with Seedlang. Learn French with Seedlang is a unique app that emphasizes immersive learning through videos and conversations. The app features a wide range of video content with subtitles in both French and English, allowing users to learn in context. It offers interactive exercises based on the videos, enhancing comprehension and retention. Seedlang also encourages users to practice speaking and writing by integrating their own responses into the lessons. This app is ideal for those looking for a more dynamic and engaging way to learn French, focusing on practical language usage and real-life scenarios. And that's a wrap on our review of the top apps for learning French on Android. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!